Hello, good afternoon. You're watching Markets at Noon on ET Now with me, Vinni, along with me, Soumit Sarkar as well. But markets, not a good afternoon coming in on that front. We've seen a bit of a further decline coming in for the Nifty 50, like you can see on the charts as well. Almost near the day's lowest point. As of now, down 1%, more than 1%, 21,800 levels. It's just managing to hold on to the 21,800 levels. So let's keep an eye on that. Top drags that we've seen for the Nifty 50 today. Reliance, the heavyweight Reliance, clearly is seeing a fall. In the last few minutes, also seems like the fall. So a deeper cut for Reliance as well at the day's lowest point, 1.5% downtick there. We have other than that TCS, which is also seeing a decline as well on the back of the block deal. The Tata Sons is a likely seller for these block deals as well. TCS clearly under pressure today. Other than that, we have Infosys also down and out, 1.8% downtick on Infosys as well. And ITC in the last few minutes, the fall for ITC also seems to have increased a bit more as well. And ITC down almost 2% as well. L&T among the other names that are seeing a sharper decline on the Nifty 50. Let's pull up the broader markets now and what that is doing as well. Not managing to hold on to any sort of a gain, performing in tandem with the benchmark indices. Small cap down almost 1%, mid cap down more than 1% as well. So yes, clear pressure that is continuing that we've seen in the broader markets as well, and that's continued today as well. Sector-wise, obviously, we did cover a lot of IT names. So, Nifty IT among the top sectoral loser, obviously, and Nifty FMCG, that's another one that's seeing a sharp fall. Now, let's pull up some of these FMCG names. When you look at an HUL, that's at a 52-week low today. We have ITC that is obviously falling. Other than that, Nestle is also down and out. So, the FMCG pack, nothing exciting happening there. Tata Consumers also seeing a decline. CLSA initiated coverage on Tata Consumers, but with an underperform rating is what they have given. So, yes, Tata Consumers also seeing a decline today in trade. Individual moves that we should talk about today. Indigo, that's the one we're keeping an eye out on. Some bit of a green at least coming in on the screen from Indigo, flying high in trade after Kotak has hiked the target price for Indigo to 4,200 rupees per share. They're maintaining their buy rating as well. Yes, so some bit of a green, 1% uptick as of now for Indigo. Let's move on, talk about Exide then, because that's battered away in trade as well. When you look at it, Axis Capital has downgraded Exide to a sell from a previous reduced rating. The hiked the target price by just marginally 10 rupees, so nothing on that front. A downgrade coming in for Exide from Axis Capital is keeping the stock under pressure, down 4%. IOL Chemicals, that's the one that we're keeping an eye out on. They've successfully completed Brazilian Health Regulatory Agency's good manufacturing practice audit for all the 10 API manufacturing facilities that they have that are situated in Punjab without any observations. And that is the reason an 11% uptick in IOL Chemicals that we're seeing. JBM Auto, to focus, they've got a contract for 1,390 electric buses, keeping an eye out on that. Sharp jump up after the announcement came in. Lastly, let's talk about Paradeep Phosphate. That is in focus. The company has shut down its ammonia urea plant in Goa. They will give more of an update on when they'll be starting, but yes, after that we're seeing a fall. And lastly, Piramal Pharma in focus after we're seeing Jefferies maintain a buy, a target price of 170 rupees per share for Piramal Pharma. And a debate over the FY25 guidance is something that is uncertain around that outsourcing part. But yes, other than that, surely Piramal Pharma showing some bit of a green and strength there over there, yes. But overall, markets clearly seeing a fall coming in, large names seeing a fall coming in. So, I mean, that's how the market is looking like as of now.